A lot of people are not familiar with the concept of mindful living. Mindful living is a very ancient concept that is the core of all major religions and all spiritualities on the globe. Mindful living is simply learning to be more aware, waking up in your life to what's around you, everything about you. Mindful living is the idea, the concept that every thought, every word, every action that you create has a ripple effect, cause and effect. It's a very simple concept. And the Mindful Living Institute is an amazing group of people who have gathered together, all of us, who are experts in various fields. We have lived many years learning how to live mindfully on this planet, and we feel that it is our responsibility and our privilege to teach this to other people. We have experts in the fields of science, horticulture, food, spirituality, medicine, everything. It's just a very, very exciting group of people that we've gathered. We come from all over the world with different gifts and graces. We really have a concern for where the world is right now. We believe that there is chaos, people are confused, they really are overbooked, overworked, and overwhelmed, and they need direction. And they may not need a psychiatrist, they may not need to go to a medical doctor for medicine anymore, but they know that something is tremendously flawed with their lives, and they really don't know where to go for help. So we gathered together and we said, why don't we create an institute where we can create some core knowledge, and each of us are experts in different areas. For an example, I'm an expert in stress and mindful living, and we can teach the world how to live a better life, the life they were meant to live. The life that every spirituality and every major religion promises you, but yet it seems to be beyond each of our grasp today in the way that we're living. So we gathered the Mindful Living Institute together, and we're going to go around the world, and we're going to teach this through the internet, through radio. We're going to teach it in different venues around the country so that people can actually physically touch and see and talk and meet each other, because this is what it's about. It's about the mindful living community. We have to learn how to do this together. The era of rugged individualism has killed us. It's destroyed who we are as human beings, the sacred part of our being. So mindful living is the restoration process. So we invite every single person to come to the mindfullivingnetwork.com, which is online, and you can learn about the Mindful Living Institute, you can learn about the Mindful Living community, and we invite you also. You may be an expert. Let us know about you. So welcome to the new world of mindful living, and we're really excited about our future.